How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be doing hand grip training. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at Dillenberg999. So we will be doing hand grip training today. One thing that does suck is that I did not pick up 250s or 300s yet. I know I lost my 250 and 300 pound hand grippers. So all I have is the 150s and 200s, but we can still get good workouts in with that. I need to get those 250s. I need to get those 300s so we can just keep progressing. But today we'll do 150s. Still decent workout. We'll try to get 10 reps. I mean, we will get 10 reps, but let's get started. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that, 10 repetitions, easy peasy. So again, the reason why I want the 250s is 250s, 150s easy, 200s easy, 250s give me a decent workout, and then 300s are pretty tough. But I have closed 300s for 10 reps before, so I would say mastered the 300s. I'll have to look too when I go and buy them, see if they make 350s. I don't think they do. I think I'll have to order them from Amazon or something, but I'll have a look, see if they have the 350s. But yeah, the reason why I want the 250s is so we can get better workouts in, and for the 300s, we can do negative training. So right now I've been doing negative training with the 200s, which super easy to do, but I've been doing a lot of holding. So holding the hand grippers for like 10 seconds, that's a good workout. So again, how long you hold them for will make the workout harder. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Easy peasy. Again, for anyone who doesn't know, these are easy for me, not only because they're 150s. 150s are pretty easy, but I've been training my grip for 2 years. I had been training for 2 years. I took a year off from training it just because I was doing heavy deadlifts, heavy back work. So really didn't need to keep progressing with my hand grip training. And the reason why I started it was to deadlift more weight. Sorry, not to deadlift more weight, but to be able to grip more weight when I was doing powerlifting competitions. So needless to say, that hand grip training got me to be able to hold 700 pounds for my deadlift. I can't deadlift 700 pounds. I can deadlift 600 pounds, but I can hold 700 in a rack. So hand grip training, I will not recommend anything else for your grip other than this, just because 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just because it's the thing that completely made my hand grip explode, like completely. Another thing that I will recommend for grip training is doing dumbbell forearm curls. A dumbbell forearm curl is basically when you have the dumbbell, you're holding it here, and all you do is you go like this. So you can see the forearm working. You get a heavy dumbbell. I got up to, I think it was usually 140, 150 pound dumbbells. I was doing forearm curls. My forearms were jacked. But yeah, hang on a sec, there we go. But yeah, lots of different ways to get your forearms jacked, get more veins, get your grip better. Hand grip training is the best thing that you can do. Trust me. And the thing about it is you can do it every single day. You don't need to take rest days. Most stuff you need to take rest days. I found for forearms, you do not need to. So big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Easy peasy. And again, I can do the 200s, the exact same tempo, the exact same speed as that. So 200s, same thing. 250s, pretty well same thing too. I can get 10 reps pretty easy. I don't know about now. Now I haven't used the 250s in about a year, so pretty sure I'd still be able to get them pretty good. But yeah, when I go, I am gonna buy them, you guys. I promise you I'm gonna go get them. I have to go and do it. A little bit of a procrastinator, but yeah, I'll go get them, and then I'll see if they have 350s. 350s would be crazy, just insane. Let's do another 10 reps and then we're done. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Easy, easy. That's it. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.